Make a great choice today with the 2004 RX-8. Along with the unique 1.3L Renesas rotary engine, this sophisticated rotary-powered sports car offers aggressive styling and a surprisingly roomy interior. This incomparable ride is for the ultimate driving enthusiast. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, one owner, power steering, cruise control, power brakes, tachometer, overhead console, center console. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.